all married men decide to stay faithful, 70% of business women will close their business, and 60% of university female students will drop out of school. Somebody shout power. If you are a young boy or young girl watching this particular video, pay attention. Watch this video from beginning to the end, because at the end of the day, this video will create a very big impact in your life. Listen to me. There is difference between envy and jealousy. Enviness is when someone wants what you have, but jealousy is when that person does not want you to have that thing at all.
I'm telling you.
Behind every congratulations, there are people who doesn't want you to be congratulated. Behind every achievement, there are people who wish you are useless and never to achieve anything.
Okay.
Behind every greatness, there are people working day and night for your downfall. And all these things are not coming from people that is far. It is always coming from people that are very, very close to you. This is the reason why you need to keep quiet whenever you are winning. Do not seek validation from anybody. I understand how you feel whenever the blessings are coming. Can you keep quiet?
You joking?
Real blessings attract real enemies. Learn how to celebrate your success in silence and allow your success to speak for you.
I wonder.
The more you elevate in this life is the more enemies you will have. Some people will make small progress. Instead of them to keep quiet and stay low-key, they will rush and post it on social media, attracting evil eye, enemies, and village people to themselves.
Hey!
Tomorrow, they will be wondering what is doing them. You don't want to learn anything from me on this app. The only son of my parents, no worry, you will learn in hard way. You will regret your life, I'm telling you. I will not advise anybody again.